Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet another TikTok tutorial. I do believe this is my 4th TikTok tutorial. The other TikTok tutorials kind of bang views. Today we are tackling the lightsaber warp scan videos. Now you probably clicked on this video because you've seen these 2 viral TikTok videos, or you're just in that Mandalorian mood thanks to the episode coming out today. Free up my boy Grogu, he done nothing wrong. So yes, today I'll be teaching you a step-by-step tutorial on how to do this trend. If you do enjoy the video, please make sure you like and subscribe. This is also my favourite comment for last video, so thank you for this comment. So jumping straight into the problem you are facing, you're obviously facing the time warp bit and then grabbing the lightsaber. That is the bit you're struggling on. Now if we analyse the viral TikTok video, you can see 2 ways it has been edited, I think. Now if you look closely, no, closer than that, you can see the bar actually is a little bit choppy. I'm not sure if that's just TikTok itself or if she's edited the bar in. It does look pretty legit, but the biggest sign of it being edited is when you can see the black bars here at the top and at the bottom of the screen, sometimes on the left and the right. That's just to adjust the video so it matches up when she's swapping lightsaber colours or swapping transitions. Now don't freak out, if you're actually doing this trend you will not need to edit this video to the extent that she has. I will be showing you 2 ways. I'll be showing you a simple way on how to edit on your phone and on TikTok, and I'll also be showing you how to edit it on a proper computer, which is with free software. So as long as you have a PC, you're good to go. More things you will need for this video: you will obviously need a lightsaber. Also, if you want to change the color of the lightsaber, you need an option for it to change color, or you also need a new lightsaber. You don't need anything more. You obviously need your phone, and I am lucky enough to own a ring light, but you don't need it. It just helps me adjust to the perfect image I need quicker than I normally would. But this can all be done in the comfort of your own home. Now for the 2 methods, the first step is actually the same. So what you want to do is you want to log on to TikTok, find the Pose X Star Wars soundtrack. You can actually use any soundtrack you want, but this is what the viral trend is using. Then you want to go into the time warp scan effect, which is in the trending tab, and you want to find an open space in your house which you can swing a lightsaber around without smashing any of your vases. Once you have done so, put your camera, your tripod in the corner of the room so you get a lovely wide angle of your room, and then you are ready to start filming. So firstly, what you want to do is actually plan where you want the bar to come, and you want to adjust your camera to where the bar is still above your head or on top of your forehead, whatever. You do not want the bar here, because then when you are grabbing the lightsaber it will just look a little bit rubbish compared to what it would be over here, like you're actually grabbing the bar. So then you want to set your timer icon to where it is the bass drop of the actual sound you are using, and get ready to press start countdown. Once it is counting down, the bar will come down, and then you simply want to grab the bar just before the bass drop. So that's your first step done. Now you're going to have a divert into the simplistic method or the harder and professional method of your lightsaber trend. But for these next few steps, they're both going to be the same thing. You're either going to go into your camera roll and start filming where you grab the lightsaber, or you're going to carry on TikTok and grab where you film the lightsaber. So I should have told you this before, but whilst you're grabbing your bar, please mark your position so you know where you are for the next frame and the next section of the video. So I like to mark it with sliders, as you can see here. So I put sliders where my feet are, and then I can go up to the camera and try and reach for the camera actually, and then set my timer so we can go to the next section or switch to camera roll. So simply after this, all you got to do is grab your lightsaber and place it where the blue bar was, and try and lift it up while you're doing it so it looks like it's still in motion, or you can just grab it simply with a straight arm. After this, the world is your oyster. You have completed the transition from the blue bar to the lightsaber. You can swing to your heart's extent. Now I'm going to also show you how to change the color of the lightsaber, as this person did in their video, and how they actually changed the lightsaber itself or just the color. This is actually really easy thanks to the motion blur you are creating through moving your lightsaber or moving your hand up and down. It makes it a lot easier to transition from one lightsaber to the other. So all you got to do is swing in a direction wherever you want, and then you're going to stop the camera and then change your lightsaber and then repeat that same swing in the same direction, and then we'll be able to cut and trim this footage at the end so it actually matches, so it looks like it seamlessly moves from one lightsaber to the other. Now in the viral videos there's a lot of seamless transitions. They do this a lot. They do change lightsabers a lot. I unfortunately changed lightsabers twice because I have 3 colors of lightsabers, so I thought I'd just leave it at the 3. Now once you have gained all your footage, it is time to start editing. Now as I say, there's 2 directions you can go with this. We're going to go for the first one. This is editing on TikTok. This is where you upload all your clips or from camera roll, or if you filmed it on the whole thing on TikTok, and then you're just going to trim to the point at which it matches up and it looks the same. So this is really easy. You just got to go to adjust clips, and you're just going to trim and trim and trim and shrink either clips down to what point you get, and it looks the most seamless for you. Now if you want to go the extra mile to make it look even cleaner than the easy method of just doing it on TikTok, I use a platform called DaVinci Resolve. It's completely free, so you don't have to worry about that, but you will also need a PC or a laptop to obviously edit on. Now transfer your clips from your phone to your computer. I do this with a cable. You can also do this through apps like Dropbox or OneDrive. They make it really easy to transfer your footage. However, obviously using a cable, you won't drop quality at all. So once you've installed DaVinci Resolve, you simply want to drag your clips onto the timeline and as many clips as you have, and it's very simple again. It's just like the one in TikTok, except it is a lot more professional. So you want to match your clips up using the inspector tool on the top right. This can help you change and direct the angle of the video to match the clip even more. What a tip I like to do is to add the clip over the other clip, like an overlay, and then change the opacity of the first clip so means you can see through the clip and you can simply match the lightsabers even more. It is really easy to match the clip. It's no stress at all. Honestly, all you got to do is just go click your keyboard and go frame by frame to the section of which the lightsabers meet. So when you are swinging, you want to pause, and then the other swing of the lightsaber, you want to match that up. Really simply, it's very easy, guys, trust me. And to trim the clips, you'll do this by the clipping tool, which is in the middle of the screen. And once you've trimmed all your clips, match them up to where they want to be, made the transition seamless, you've finally finished your clip. You can render your clip in the bottom right hand of the screen and then transfer it back onto your phone, and it is good to go. You can re-add the sound if you want on TikTok, then you can post it. You can tag me in it as well, and you want to follow me on TikTok as well. You're on that at BenBarwick0. Yes, tag me in your clips please so I can see how well you've done the transition. I'm sure you guys are going to smash it. If the effort of this TikTok is somewhat intimidating you, please do not be intimidated. It is so easy to do, guys, trust me. Yes, I'm an editor, but anyone can do it. As I say, you can do two methods. You can go on TikTok and trim it, or you can go on a PC and trim it. It is very easy to do, everyone. Furthermore, this lightsaber tutorial was not just for lightsabers. People actually grabbed the bar and then made it into a straw, and then it's like, boo, I'm a ghost, you know, that one. And people do loads of stuff with this trend, so the possibility is seamlessly endless. That is my TikTok tutorial done, everyone. If you do have any more TikTok tutorial suggestions for me to do, for me to cover, please let me know in the comment section below. I really do appreciate all the comments you put in, and you also might be able to win a spot on my next video for having the best comment. As I say, if you haven't liked and subscribed, please consider doing so. We are at 750 or 740. We are on our way to 1,000 subscribers, hopefully by midway next year, or maybe by the end of the year. I sincerely doubt it, but we can hit that 1,000 subscriber mark. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you're staying safe during these crazy times. Enjoy your scrolling on TikTok and have a nice day.